Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing power to the airbag system, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait 10 minutes so capacitors bleed down. Once done, center the steering wheel and place a clear mark across the column and wheel so you can maintain alignment. Make sure you have the correct Torx bits, an 18mm socket for the center nut, a 6mm hex for wiring, and a steering wheel puller. Gather zip bags for fasteners to keep parts organized before you proceed. Begin the middle phase by unfastening the airbag module screws. Use the correct Torx, pull the module straight forward, and carefully disconnect 2 to 3 airbag and horn connectors. Once unplugged, set the airbag face up on a soft cloth to avoid damage. Next, loosen the center retaining nut fully, but leave it threaded a few turns to prevent the wheel from flying off. Attach a steering wheel puller and apply even force until the wheel releases. After the wheel separates, lift it straight off using the alignment marks you made. Inspect splines and the wiring for damage or fray and repair as needed. When fitting a replacement, align marks, slide the wheel fully home, hand thread the center nut, and torque to factory spec, typically in the 40 to 60 foot-pound range. Then reconnect the wiring harness. Finally, reinstall the airbag module, secure its screws, reconnect the battery, and verify horn function and airbag light. If the airbag light stays on, scan for codes and check connector seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.